Hey, great, you found us. Thanks for tuning in. This is Not Good at Normal. Hi, it's T, Not Good at Normal. Wanted to give you a quick view of the super awesome Mini and all the little modifications that I've done to her. Her name is Ms. Hyde, if you're not a follower. One of the few things I've done in the inside as we sit on this gorgeous day in the park in the middle of the Midwest. We'll start with the secret compartment. I have redone that, as you can see, it was the standard silver gold color, shiny, that came with this model Mini, and I made it steampunk. Lots and lots of plasti dip. You certainly have to have some patience when you're working with that. Steampunk, pretty cool. Also, I have done some turquoise on the inside, if you can see that. Hello, Ms. Skull. We've got turquoise in there. Another skull, which is on top of, let's see if we can get that to focus. On top of the auxiliary. Used to be, I guess they were cigarette lighters, but they're not cigarette lighters anymore. Anyway, that's auxiliary. If you can see with my super awesome cool mini drink holder, we've got some turquoise in there as well. One of the first things I did with my super cool Mini is put some decal stickers on her. So that is kind of a sugar skull lady slash zombie, which kind of, to me, looks like me. Then we did the turquoise. More sugar skull ladies. Little bitty tiny skull. And then one of the next things I did were the mirror caps. Lots of cars. Then this is one of the latest I did, was her racing stripe, which I think looks amazing. I did the grill at the same time I did the back. There she is, Ms. Hyde. And that was one of the first things I did as well, which that is lit. Super cool. And finally, we have Stitch, because why not? He likes to travel in small shiny things. Thanks for tuning in to Not Good at Normal. NotGoodAtNormal.com is the blog. NotGoodAtNormal.blog is the Instagram page where you can find all kinds of cool stuff about the Mini and all kinds of other stuff. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you like. Leave a comment.